Hey, hi everyone, Gail here from GailBottomlyOnline.com. Now, I'm just sitting here in my YouTube channel and I want to show you some changes that have happened of recent days because some of you are having real issues in trying to get your videos embedded into your WordPress site. So I'm just going to show you how this all works. So we're going to go firstly to my videos and we will grab this video here. We'll click on it. Now this is how it looks here. You'll notice that up here it has the YouTubeAsNormal.com. Now some of you may find that this is different on yours. Okay, you'll have a dot here. I'll show you where in just a moment. So it'll look quite different. It's set up for the whole iframe thing, which doesn't always work in all the websites. So let me show you how you can still bring a video in even though this is all changed. So first of all we click on share. And when you click on share, you'll see what I mean. See what's happened here? youtu.be. This is the new YouTube thing. Now, let me show you something. If I am to grab that, copy that, go back here to my WordPress site. Now, I'm using the Viper tag. So if I click on the Viper tag here, which is what we've always been able to use, and pop that in there and go OK. Normally what would happen is this would show up. You'd be able to see it. So let me just show you what's now happened with the changes with the YouTube. So if we go now and view that post, normally you won't be able to see that now. See, there it is there. Okay, so it's a new format and it can't be shown. So let's go back and show you how you can get that to show. What you've got to do really is you've got to go back to the old-fashioned way, and let's just try this. I haven't tried it, but let's just take that out of there. I still don't think it'll work because it hasn't got youtube.com on the end here. So we might just change that and see if we can make this thing work. I haven't tried it, but let's just see. And we'll do a click on there. I still don't think this is going to work, but we'll see if there's a way around it. And we'll go view post. It's still not showing it, right? So it's because it's now sitting in an iframe format. So what we need to do now is we'll take that out of here because that's not going to work. We'll go back and use the YouTube thing and we'll come back here and we'll grab it from up here, and I'm pretty sure that that's going to work. So that's one way of doing it. Paste. Of course there is another way of doing it, and that's getting another plugin that will run in the back, and it's a WordPress iframe plugin which you can use. That will help, but it won't help in the widget bar unless you do it correctly. So there's the video there now, so that's working. We have to use the old code, so that's cool. That's got that one working. Now what we're going to do is, we'll go back into here and edit the post again, and I want to show you another way of bringing in the video. So we've seen that that one works okay, so we're going to delete that one out. And now what we're going to do is go back here to YouTube. So if you're not, like you're using a widget bar, you can't use this code. What you have to do now is go and press the embed button, and then right down here you have to use the old embed code. So it should give you the choice, use old embed code, and you have to use that if you want to do like put them into the widget bar of your WordPress site. So we have to click on the HTML. This is to get it to show up in a post. So we go paste, update, and now that should show up in the post. But also we want to put it in the widget bar, and you can't put it in the widget bar in this new iframe unless you have a plugin to do it. Now there it is there. It's working perfectly fine. Now what we're going to do is put it in the widget bar. And the only way you can do that is just the way that I've shown you, and that's to use the old embed code. So let's go to widgets, and we'll put that embed code in the side. Now many of you are having real issues because you cannot get the videos to work in the widget bar, and the reason is, as I've already said, is you're using up on the, I'll show you in a moment. Let me just fix this first. Get this here, so it's 260, and we'll make that 240. The other place to change it down here. Okay, and we'll make that one 240, and we'll save it, and that will work. However, if this up here has got that dot in the middle here, it will not work so easily. You have to go down here and you have to choose the old embed code. So make sure you do that, otherwise it will not work on your website. So let's go back and have a quick look here at my Hickory-Pickory website, and you'll find it right there. So it's all working now. All right, and there it is there. So that's what you've got to do now. It's all a bit of a change, and I'm not sure what's going to happen when the old embed code offer changes or isn't there anymore. But in the meantime, that's where it is. That's how to make it work. And this is Gail Bottomley from GailBottomleyOnline.com. Hopefully this will help you. Thank you.